My name is Muhammad Amir Aiman bin Burhan. Now, I will present to you about Jexmon Industry Sendian Burhan. Umbrellas are available in a wide variety of colors, pattern, and style. They are used as protection from rain or sun. Jexmon Industry Sendian Burhan is one of the expertise in producing umbrella with high quality. Umbrella that we produce is called Mon. Jexmon Industry Sendian Burhan use spongy and polyester coating in producing our product. Polyester also does not endure any texture, extension or shrinkage due to change within the discussed mugginess. It also gives shining color like nylon. As for our umbrella, we are using straight handle umbrella indicate a more modern and casual look. They are also made from rubber to make them both more comfortable and long lasting. There is also a folding mini fan attached to the umbrella shaft which is triggered in the handle by a button. With this fan, user will no longer feel the heat of the sun, which can provide comfort to the user. Our umbrella, Mon, is affordable umbrellas. The main attribute is its versatility, which makes it smaller in size and lighter in weight. We use microphoto analysis in our company. The first one is the threat of the new entrant. This ability determines how easy or difficult it is to join those industry. In our industry, Jexmon Industry Sendian Berhad is able to make big profit with little opposition, then the rival should sign up immediately. Next is the bargaining power of suppliers. Powerful suppliers' negotiating power help us to sell high price raw material or sell purchaser of low quality raw materials. Third, bargaining power of buyers. They assesses the strength of the purchaser bargaining power of or power supply. The higher bargaining power of purchasers in seeking lower price or higher product quality, the lower the income or earning that the business producer can receive. Fourth, threat of substitute. The challenge of threat arises when buyers or consumers obtain cheaper alternative or substitute goods that have high quality at a low cost of division. Last but not least is the rivalry among existing competitors. The major determinant in this power, the business must compete aggressively to obtain a significant market share. Jexmon Industry Sendian Berhad SWOT analysis will drive the organization into making business plans that are successful and sensible. As for strength, Jexmon Industry Sendian Berhad strength is a highly diversified company which operates in a many different markets and industries. It has strong research and development capabilities that are still growing. For the weakness of Jexmon Industry Sendian Berhad are much of its sales depend upon a few well-recognized brands. This makes the business valuable to any sudden change in customer behavior. Opportunities. The opportunities that Jexmon Industry Sendian Berhad can take is growth in online retail could open up new distribution channels that can bypass traditional retailers. Threat that Jexmon Industry Sendian Berhad face is that they have to deal with is the pressure from other umbrella producers. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Brendan Chen Kiong and my metric number is 181240202. So for my part, I will present about the human resource and supplier information. For the human resource there is four parts. First part is the recruitment. So for the recruitment we use newspaper advertisement and social media advertisement. This is because we know that it is easier to recruit people due to many older people read newspaper, and for the social media we all knew that all people have social media account which help us recruit people easily too. So for the social media we use Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter and LinkedIn. To recruit the workers, we recruit people around the age of 25 to 40 years old which skill in engineering skill. This is because we want to find a better feature to be installed in our product, and the people that have engineering skill, that is skillful in engineering field, will help us do so. Next is for the training and development. We provide training and coaching the workers. This is because we want to make sure that they will do the work effective and efficiently. For the new workers that for the new workers that have come to our company, we will give them training to learn and adapt any skills in producing our product, such as we brief the detailed information about our product and they will do better in the production. And for the HR manager, they will also provide a coaching activities to the workers. This is to drop the percentage of ineffective production. Next, for the performance appraisal, we use narrative essay in determining the performance of the worker. This is to record the performance of a workers for 1 month. So if the workers has achieved the targeted performance, we'll give them promotion or a raise in their salary. The reason why we do so is to make sure that the quality of the products is guaranteed and to prevent any flaw from happening. Lastly, for the compensation and benefit, we provide a chance for promotion for the employee and we give them salary on time without any delay. When they do any overtime, we will pay them too, and we provide safety tool for them when they are working. The reason why we do so is to boost the workers' morale. Next is for the suppliers information. There is two suppliers that supply us with the materials that we needed. First one is a Twin Link service. Twin Link service located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. They provide many types of material and so many types of gift. They are the supplier of corporate gift. The vision of the Twin Link service is to offer the best value product and service that exceeds our customer requirement and expectation at competitive price. And the mission is to create the right product to customer. From training service, we demand a bulk of umbrella material such as handle of the umbrella, the type of fabric, and the stock of the umbrella. We know that training service will provide a high quality material, so this is the best supplier that we need to in order to achieve a high quality product. Next one is a My Machine Machinery and Hardware Sdn Bhd. It located in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. My Machine Machinery and Hardware Sdn Bhd manufacture and sell all kinds of equipment and hardware like agriculture and construction equipment. From them, they supply us with the fan part material because we know that the blade of the fan was produced using furniture grade, which is one of the high quality material. And in our production, we really need those kind of fan. That's all for me. Thank you.
Salam sejahtera, my name is Kiong Xin Wei and I will present about manufacturing process and capital fund allocation and its sources. For manufacturing process, the first step of making fan umbrella is we will providing samples and conforming orders. This is because Malaysia does not have the umbrella with fan that can cooler customer surrounding temperature. In this case, we decide to provide the sample to users before we manufacturing the umbrella. Providing the samples can prevent wasteful production costs. The second step is preparing and inspecting umbrella materials. The main components when making umbrella are umbrella handle, umbrella frame, fan, and umbrella canopy fabric. We choose steel as our materials and plastic be fan in making umbrella. Step 3 is for primary fabric cutting. Workers use either machine power to cut huge piles of fabric. The purpose is to have several pieces of rectangle fabrics. Step 4 is fabric edge locking. This process is critical to the quality of the umbrella. If we do not place edge finish on the fabric, it may cause wear. For step 5, the edge of the cut fabric is secure and we must manually cut it further to form a small triangular panel. This process is called a small cut or a second cut. Putting these triangle-shaped pieces of fabric together will form the canopy. Step 6 is umbrella fabric printing. We apply silk screen printing method. The frame ensures that the graphic printing will not exceed the panel size. Step 7 is installing the mini fan. Fan that set at the top of the runner, wings of the fan are made with plastic. This is because plastic is safer than wooden or metal. Step 8 is sewing. They must be combined once the panel themselves have to have the intended graphic design. The inspector uses the light box to check the color consistency between the triangular panels. In short, the box will produce different light and shade conditions. This provides inspectors with many methods to check the quality of the umbrella cover. The last step is installing the handle and the top before quality inspection. We connected them together to form an umbrella. It is time for a final quality check. Check the smooth texture of the switch again. Then, for capital or fund allocation and its sources, Jexmon Industry Sdn Bhd is a new industry that has to expand the business into new location. To start the business, the industry must create a business plan. This is because business plan is a very important document that will help industry to get the capital from bank or others. Jexmon Industry Sdn Bhd should have a long-term debt financing from bank. This is because a new industry has not enough money to purchase the inventory and equipment that needed in office or factory. Industry can get the capital through bank loans, and it can be made public by issuing debt or known as corporate bond, allows a large number of investors to be lenders or creditors to the industry. Furthermore, industry can generate money by selling some of it in the form of shares to investor or equity fund. The drawback is that the profitability will be distributed to all shareholders. Besides that, industry can make profit by selling product which is one umbrella for more than it costs to produce, which also known as retained earnings. These funds can be used to reward shareholders in the form of dividend payments or share buybacks. That's all for me.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Jing Wen. For our products, it is a rechargeable electronic fan, easy to carry, has different color, and has a signature trademark of our logo, which named it as Momon, which is to distinguish our original one from the fake one. And it has a high quality with strong proof and windproof as well, and it is long lasting and block UV rays. For distributing channel, which is from manufacturer to retailer to customer. For pricing, firstly is odd even pricing to encourage people to buy. Second is profitability approach to cover the variable cost and fixed cost. Third is the competitive price strategy to match the price with the others competitors. For promotion, we will advertise through the mass media and social media as well. For costing method, we are using the process costing method. We have 4 departments, which is cutting, sewing, assembling, and packaging department. And the slide it shows the direct material cost, direct labor cost, and manufacturing overhead cost. The total number of units that we produced in March is 6,000 units. So for cost per unit for March is 19 ringgit and 22 cents per unit. For transfer in goods, the cost transfer out for the last department, which is 119625 ringgit. Beside that, we did a production report for each department by using weighted average method. That's all I have. Thank you.
My name is Xin Wei. Today I will present about the profit planning and future planning of the assignments. Sales budget, we need to use the unit of the product multiplied with the price to get the total revenue of a year. We need to prepare the production budget. First, we use the sales in units less the opening stock in unit and add the desired closing stock in unit. Then we can get the production required of a year. We can prepare the direct material usage budget. Direct material usage budget, we need to use the product required in units multiplied with the raw material in units that we need to use in a product. Calculate the direct material usage budget. We need to calculate the direct material purchase budget. So we need to use the usage of the raw material less the opening stock and add the desired closing stock and multiply with the price of the direct material, so we can know the direct material purchase in RM. That we need to calculate the direct labor budgets. We need to take the production unit multiply with direct labor hours and multiply with direct labor hour rate per hour, so we can get the direct labor cost. We are calculate the closing finished stock. To calculate the closing finished stock, we need to know the raw material per unit in RM, and plus with the direct labor hours in 1 hours unit, so and multiplied with unit in stock, so we know the closing stock is how much. Budgeted statement of profit and loss. To calculate the budgeted statement of profit and loss, we need to use the sales less the variable cost of the sales and less the fixed production overhead. Then we can get the budgeted net profit. The budgeted statement and profit or loss, we can calculate the budgeted statement of positions. To calculate the budgeted statement of position, we need to add all the fixed asset and current asset less the current liabilities and finance by ordinary share, retaining profit and net profit for the year. If the balance of the fixed asset and the equity is same, that's the financial position is correct. Our company future plan. We plan to upgrade our facility in Malaysia by increasing the number of machine of production and packaging of our product and installing the new equipment to productions. Next, Jexmon Industry Sanjay Burhan intend to continue to focus on product development. Next, Jexmon Industry Sanjay Burhan intend to enhance our value-added service. We intend to maintain our long-standing relationship with our customers by providing more value-added service such as technical support and responsive after-sales service. Jexmon Industry Sanjay Burhan intend to expand our network to other countries, not only in Malaysia. That's all for me. Thank you.